It's funny. Sometimes the biggest, most mind-blowing ideas are hiding in the simplest places. Today, we're going to unlock a really cool concept about language itself, and we're going to do it by starting with just one single everyday word.
Okay, take a look at this word, play. You know it, you use it all the time, you probably think it's one of the easiest words in English, right? But seriously, if you had to define it right now, off the top of your head, what would you say? Just hold that thought for a second. All right, to really get to the bottom of this, we need to go to a very particular place. We're going to start our little investigation with a single dictionary entry.
So, we're looking at the Simple English Wiktionary. Now, this isn't just any old dictionary. It's a version that's specifically designed to explain words using really simple language and basic vocabulary. It's the perfect place for us to start.
So how does this special dictionary break down a word that we all think we know so well? Let's dive in. Okay, first up, the verb form. Definition number 1, to do things for amusement. Yep, that's pretty much exactly what you'd expect, right? It's the most basic, gut-feeling meaning of the word, just doing something for fun.
An example sentence is perfect. Children like to play all day. It's so simple, so direct, you get it instantly. There's no confusion. But that's not the only way we use this word, is it?
And then you get the second definition. See how the word play shifts here? It goes from just general fun to a really specific skilled action, making music. It's a totally different context, but it's the exact same word.
And again, the example sentence just nails it, putting the definition into a scenario we can all picture. The word's pretty flexible, right? But wait, the dictionary's not even done with it yet.
Now look at this. The word completely transforms. It goes from a verb, an action, to a noun. A play is a thing, something you can go see. So we've gone from an activity to an art form, all with the same 4 letters. Seems pretty straightforward. Yeah? Well, this is where things get really, really interesting.
As I was looking at this page, something else caught my eye. It was just a little note, tucked away at the top, but it turned out to be a clue, hiding in plain sight, that points to a much, much bigger idea. There it is, right at the top of the entry. Play is on the basic English 850 list. Not common words, not important words, something super specific. The BE 850 list.
And that's the question that just changes everything. What on earth is this list? And why is our simple little word play on it? What is this dictionary entry really trying to tell us? It turns out that little note is not a random fact at all. It's the key. It's a direct reference to a whole system for language called Basic English. And it explains everything about why this dictionary works the way it does. And that brings us to this number, 850. This isn't just a number pulled out of thin air. It is the exact number of words that make up the entire core vocabulary of this entire language system.
So, Basic English. It was actually designed way back in the 1930s by a linguist named Charles K. Ogden. Now, this guy believed that a lot of the world's problems came from simple misunderstanding. So he decided to create a simplified version of English built around a super carefully chosen list of just 850 essential words. And, as we just saw, play made the cut. Ogden's goals were huge. He wanted to create a language that was easy for anyone in the world to learn, a clear way to share scientific ideas or business info without confusion, and a powerful tool for teaching. The list has 600 nouns, 150 adjectives, and just 100 operator words. Words like get, give, come, go, the words that do all the heavy lifting. The Simple English Wikipedia is basically his idea in action, right here in the modern day. And this really gets us to the heart of it all. The power of Basic English isn't about limiting what you can say. It's actually about making communication clearer and more powerful for everyone. I mean, just look at this comparison. On the left, a sentence using words from that basic list. The actors are in a play. Simple, direct, you get it. On the right, the thespians are performing a theatrical production. Sure, it means the same thing, but the sentence on the left is instantly understood by way more people. That's the power we're talking about. So the big takeaway here is this. Simplicity is a choice. It's not about dumbing things down or having less to say. It's about being smart and intentional and picking the most effective, clear, and powerful words to get your point across. And that's the amazing lesson hidden inside the definition of a word as simple as play.
We are surrounded by jargon and complexity all the time. So I'll leave you with this question to think about. In your life, in your job, or your schoolwork,
Where could using the right simple words make the biggest difference for you?